Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to log out of your Temu account but not sure how? Don't worry, we are here to guide you through it step by step in just a minute. First of all, open the Temu app on your device. Now look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the Me icon. This takes you to your profile page. Next, tap on the settings icon, usually represented by a gear or three dots at the top right corner of your profile page. Scroll down until you see the logout or sign out option. Then tap on it. Now you will see a confirmation pop up asking if you are sure. Just tap confirm and you are logged out. That's it. Simple, quick, and easy. Now you know how to log out of your Temu account in no time. Stay secure and log out when needed. For more tips, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.